Welcome to the Automaticist.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new Gmail account in case you have forgotten or have never needed to do this before. So right away, we're going to go to google.com/gmail/about, or you can just do a Google search for Gmail and you can click on the first result and it'll bring you right there. Then you're going to create an account. Now I am in a private browser window because it automatically brings up my personal Gmail, but you can just do this in a regular browser window if you want. So this is like a regular window, notice it doesn't have that. That's just because I already have more than one Gmail account, and so I am not gonna be showing you that. So now you need to have a unique username, but you can repeat a username from another service as long as it hasn't already been used. Okay, so in terms of creating a good username, you don't want to just write out your name. So if your name is Bob Smith, you don't want your username to be Bob Smith 1096 or something like that. However, if you do initials, that's probably ambiguous enough. Let's just make one. So as you can see, I have gone the fictional character route in my creating of a Gmail, and I'm just doing this because I don't want anyone real on this. Another reason is to keep continuity between all these different tutorials. So we'll be following Phineas from Phineas and Ferb, going about all these things. Now, right below my username box, it's going to give us some suggestions. So we can actually just choose one of these. And since I'm doing a fictional character, it doesn't actually matter that I've got my name on it. You need to make a good password. This is like a bare minimum in terms of what you can make for a password. So, because I know that I don't necessarily need this to be the most secure thing in the world, we're just gonna make something real quick. And then it's gonna take you to next. And it is gonna ask for your personal information. Okay, now that we have clicked next, it is going to bring you to the privacy and terms. You will need to agree to all these terms, and you'll need to affirm that by clicking agree. So just go ahead, take a very careful look at all this and agree. And then we're just waiting for that to load onto the next part. And it is right there. So here we go. We are now on our Gmail screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.